Hi YouTube, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be talking about changing your battery in your key fob for the Mazda 3. And I'm sure it's the same for all Mazda vehicles with the same type of key fob. So we're going to jump into it here pretty soon, but we all know it's annoying when your battery dies. You know, it's a simple, I don't know, we'll say $5 fix. This way you don't have to take it to the dealership, and I'm not sure what they're going to charge you. They might not charge you anything, which is a good thing, but if you want to do it on your own time, I'm going to show you how to do it just right now. So this is going to be your Mazda key fob, and I'm going to show you how to change the battery now. So we're going to flip that up. We're going to get our, our tools are going to be a small micro flathead screwdriver and just a small flathead screwdriver. So what we're going to do is, it might be very hard to see, but I'm going to point with the screwdriver and I'll try to get right in there. So there's a little button right in there. You can see in person once you flip open your key, you'll be able to see it. But right in there, I'm going to press that little button and it should, and push forward, kind of like how I'm doing here. Go in and push this way and it should release your key. So from this part, you got a couple tabs here. You can try and push in and manipulate, but I found I can take my bigger flathead screwdriver and just put in and twist. And it just pops it open. Just like that. So if that piece does come out, no big deal, it just slides right back in. I'm just going to take it off for right now. So all you have to do is get your small flathead screwdriver, your micro screwdriver, pop the old battery out, and your battery, we'll try and zoom in on there, but it's a 1620 battery. I'll say it again, CR1620, 3-volt battery, and the plus was down. As you can see here, it has indication that the plus is on the downside. So my battery is not dead, but I'm going to show you the process of pretty much changing it out and putting it back together. So we're going to take our new battery, pop it in, just like that. Going to put our keys back on like that. This piece, we'll just seat all the way down and snap. Too easy. This piece, very simple, guys, and that's all there is to it. And once you got it all snapped together, guys, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching my video, and feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can always share with your friends and family in case you don't have a Mazda 3 and they might, or any other Mazda that has this key fob. So maybe you can help somebody else out. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. If there's anything else you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below. Again, this video only took me, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes to make. It's a 3 to 5 minute process. It's very, very easy, guys. So thanks for watching,